Someone's character is the fuel for the vehicle of their competence. So somebody can be the most competent in their field with the best qualifications, but with the wrong character, it's like having a Ferrari or a Porsche sat there with no petrol in the tank. The car won't go anywhere, it won't achieve anything. And on paper and in theory, it looks beautiful and it looks wonderful and it'll do everything that you want to, until you sit in the thing and try and turn on the ignition and it just won't start. And then it becomes the most frustrating thing ever. And so as you appoint people, what are you doing to assess their character first to ensure that they've got the petrol in the tank? Because you can easily take petrol out of a Ford and put the same petrol into a Ferrari and make it go somewhere. And maybe that's the employer's responsibility to train people from Ford to Ferrari.